Hi, everybody. This is a video on obtaining the AutoCAD 2019 software, which we're going to be doing the student version of it, which is free. Let's get started. So I'm on my Google search engine here, and I'm going to type in Autodesk student. Autodesk is the company that creates AutoCAD. Right here, we want this Autodesk Student Community Free Software and Resources. For me, I don't have to scroll down. You might find it down here. Make sure you get this one. All right, so as per today, when this recording is being made, this is what it looks like right now. I have to go ahead and sign in. I'm able to sign in because you have to create an Autodesk student account. I've already done that using an educational email address. Do not use a personal email address. It will not work. And then here's my password. Put that in. Okay. So now there's my initials, VV. You can see I'm logged in. Now we're looking at right in this area, we're going to go to Get Products. So I'm going to click on that. And then you might have to sign in again. So you've got some stuff down here. I've never really tried to click on that, and for the purpose of the video, I'm going to just go ahead and do it the normal way I do it. Sign in. There we go. And now it says, "Hi, Vincent," and it should have your name there. Shows you how long your account is good for before you have to renew it, May 23rd, 2021. And now all this stuff is able to be downloaded. So here's AutoCAD. We are going to go to Get Product. Now, right here, it says Windows 2021 English. I'm going to go ahead and hit the little arrow. And then for our class, we're using 2019, although some people have used 2020 and have had no problem with it. You might need a better computer, though. And then I'm not going to do it now because I already have it installed, but I'm going to go ahead and click Install. And then it would download, and then I would install it. That's pretty much it. All right, so good luck. Give it a try. Hopefully everything works out.